Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an intro in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, one of the things that you can do is to simply go to the templates and you can start uh, using a template from Filmora. So simply you go to templates here in Filmora and then you will go to templates. You will choose YouTube intros and from here you can preview any intro that you would like. So basically in my case I already have my downloads here and I'm just going to stick with what I have. So now you will be needing like just to simply add the templates that you have created or that you have downloaded, and let's just make the timeline more short. And simply all you will be able to do or you will need to do is to simply click to replace material. So from here you will be able to see the highlighting of this template, and as you can see all you will be needing to do now is to change your title. So simply you will go to expand templates. You will search for the elements that you want to change from this template. So we have all these keyframes, etc. And the one that we are interested in is your title. So basically, add your channel name. So let's just do like this, my channel, and basically it has been changed. So if we can go, we will see that it will become the name of your channel, and simply now you have a ready to go intro that you can add to your videos. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.